students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that draw a line segment of length 9.5 centimeter and construct its perpendicular bisector. Let's name the line as AB. We are given the length of AB, which is equals to 9.5 centimeter. So firstly, in order to draw this, we are going to draw a line segment. Let's say this is our line segment L. And at this line segment, we are taking the point A. So this is the point A. Now we have to draw a line segment of 9.5 centimeter. So here we are going to use the ruler and the compass. So what we are going to do is, let's consider this is our ruler, this is the point 0, and let's say this is the point 9.5. So placing the center tip of the needle of the ruler at the point 0, we have to open our ruler till 9.5. Now using that open ruler, we are taking A as the center, or basically we have to place the tip of the needle at point A, and from that, using that open ruler, we are going to make the arc. So this arc, let give this as the point B. So this arc is basically the distance 9.5 centimeter. So we get the length of the A and B, that is equals to 9.5 centimeter. Now we have to draw the, we have to construct this perpendicular bisector. So what we are going to do is, we are going to take A as the center. We have to, let's say this is the middle point of the line segment AB. We have to open our compass more than its midpoint. Let's say we opened our compass from A to, let's say, this point. So we have to open the compass more than the half of the length segment AB. Now taking A as the center, basically placing the tip of the needle of the compass at the point A, we are going to draw two arcs, one at the upper end and one at the lower end. Now again, using that open compass which we opened before, we are using the same length of the compass. We are going to place another arc, make another arc from point B, both on the upper and lower end. So from here, we got the line segment. Joining this two length, we got the perpendicular bisector. This is basically our perpendicular bisector. We can also name this as, let's say this is C, this is D. So this is the perpendicular bisector of the line AB, and this is how we make the perpendicular bisector. So this is the answer to given question. Students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of practical geometry. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.